title of my paper is Fingerprint Pore Matching Method using Pore Histogram. The thread pores on the fingerprints are very useful features for fingerprint recognition. And several pore-based fingerprint matching methods are proposed, but these methods use minutia or rich information to perform matching process. So they are not independent of rich or minutia information. And in this paper, we propose a pore matching method using only relative pore centers. And this is the proposed method. Pore centers are extracted using this algorithm, and this will be published in another paper in the near future. And after we extract all pore centers from reference image and target image, and they are denoted by R and T. And for each point in R and T, we define the neighboring points AI for Ri and Bj for Tj. And the neighboring points are points which reside in a circle centered at Ri and Tj. Then by using these neighboring points, we generate descriptor for each pore center by using Pore histogram. And this Pore histogram is normalized Pore histogram, and we calculate the similarity matrix S. And each entry in S is a chi-square distance between Ri and Tj. Then we scan this matrix S, and if Sij is the minimum in both row I and column J, we consider Ri and Tj are a matching point pair. And there are several outliers in initial correspondence. Then we use a ransack algorithm to refine the correspondence and finally calculate the matching score. And the matching score is defined as this. And this is the experimental result. And the EER of our proposed method is 6.68%. And this is the ROC curve of the experiment results. And this is an example of the matching result. And all matched point centers are connected by the Delaunay triangle. And the conclusion is in this paper, pore matching method using Pore histogram is proposed, and the proposed method only uses the relative locations between extracted pore centers. And the fingerprint can be recognized by setting an appropriate threshold on the matching result.
Okay, thank you. I have one question. What do you use the picture as a picture?
Yeah.
Texture or etch? What do you use?
Feature?
Yes.
We use these are fingerprint pores, and we extracted this center of the feature. Then we use the relative locations of these pore centers and generate a descriptor.
Okay, thank you.